Alexis, what are you eating? Is that good? Is that good eggs? Today is your big day. We're going to go have your photo shoot for the calendar. Yeah? You going to be a little ballerina? Huh? You can talk to Mommy. Say hi. Say hi. Are those eggs good? It's your first morning having eggs. Are they good? Uh-oh. Get another piece. There you go. Is that good? Say mmm. Say yummy. Is that good, Lexi? Alright, see, I'm going to finish eating breakfast. Bye.